Cara was trying to sleep, but every time she settled down, there was this horrid noise. Oh, there it goes again. It seems to be coming from the open window. I'm getting away, jumping down. I'd rather walk along the pavement. Oh, what's that noise now? Oh, it's exhausting. Just then, Jackdaw flew down.
It's weird, isn't it? When does a sound become a nasty noise, and when is it beautiful music? What's the difference? Listen carefully and a nasty noise will become a special sound with a hidden meaning. When you understand the sound, you will hear a secret message.
What's that noise then?
It's just a fence banging in the wind.
What about that noise?
It's just a car going past. Some noise is nice because it is harmony. How about that sound?
Oh, that's lovely. Is that bird song?
Yes. If you go back into the house, you will find that that nasty noise has gone. There was a giggling and a giggling and a tickling and a giggling, and then the nasty noise went.
So Cara climbed back in the window and jumped back in the house. Oh, that's what was making all the noise. You just tickle her and she stops making that crying noise and she listens to the world and the rhythm of life.
So Cara found out noise can hurt your ears, or noise can make a beautiful, beautiful sound.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? Thank you for watching. These were pictures painted for the Armchair Painting Group. Tune in again for some more adventures of Cara the Curious Cat.